Good morning, everybody. I didn't start an opening interview off because I didn't quite know how this morning was gonna go. But I'm out here now, and I'm glad I came out to this spot. I got two jakes, a longbeard and a hen out here. And I just heard my first gob. They just gobbled the first time, so we're gonna put the seatbelt on and enjoy the gobbler strutting right now. So I'll turn you guys back around and see if I can't get them to gobble a few times. I'm not even sure what day it is. I never know what day it is. I have off from work today. It's the 21st. So it's 21st of May, so let's see if we can't get this done. This is the bird I've been watching for quite a while. If you could tell by the video or not, but the gobbler broke strut and he started walking straight to this woods, and he was going below me. So what I did is I just picked up and I literally ran down the side of this hill to try to cut him off. And I don't think I got here in time. Well, I know I got here in time, I just don't think I got low enough. But what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna grab the camera and my gun, and I'm gonna walk out to this field and just see if he even made it to the woods. He wasn't moving far, but I didn't want to give him a chance to beat me. So I had to run down here. I found him. And I'm not even sure if this is the same bird or not. Longbeard's right there. And then there's a hen. Alright, everybody. It's getting hot. Let's talk to you a little bit about what just happened here. I'm getting desperate. As you see in that last clip, I had to crawl on that turkey. I had to leave the camera behind. I'm trying my best. I have not found a bird that is responsive to a call as far as coming in, other than them jakes this year. It's been tough. The 2 other shots that I had this year that I missed on, those were just roosted birds that I knew I could get right underneath. I just got lucky. They weren't responsive to the calls. And I don't know what it is, but it's getting hot. It's supposed to be over 80 something degrees today. I'm already sweating like crazy. I had to crawl on that turkey. I lost my seat. I don't know where the heck my seat went. I might have to try to find that, but he just gobbled 3 or 4 more times and he's going down to the mother fields again. So I don't honestly know what I'm gonna do. And to be honest with you, I don't think that's the same bird that I started on this morning. Because the bird that I started on this morning was walking this way. And when I came back down and got back out to the field after setting up in the middle there, that bird came from the other side. He was the furthest over bird that I have seen all morning. So I don't think that was the same turkey. But what do I know, I guess. So I got so close. So when I started crawling on him, he was coming down through the field. I almost beat him here, but we kind of met here at the same time. But it didn't matter. He had a spot in mind he wanted to go, and I wasn't going to do nothing about it. So unfortunately, he went down in the bottom. I might stop and ask that farmer today if I could hunt for these last 2 weeks. If I can hunt these last 2 weeks in this little woodlot right here, I have so much better chance of killing one of these turkeys. I have been getting my absolute butt handed to me this year. I'm gonna get back to hunting and hopefully kill one of these things, but it's not looking too good right now. If I was gonna kill one, it should have been right there about 10 minutes ago. So we'll see. I'll catch you guys in a little bit.